Hey y'all, so I'm back at it with another video, and we are doing iced oatmeal cookies. Let's get into it. So I started off by using melted butter. I made sure it was cool, and then I added my white sugar and brown sugar, mixed that together. Then I added 1 egg, vanilla extract, and then my secret ingredient, which is honey. Mixed that together, and then I added my dry ingredients. And then I folded that in together. And once everything was combined, I used a 3 tablespoon cookie scoop to scoop out my cookies. I rolled them into balls, and then I flattened them out just a little bit, and I baked them at 325 for like 10 minutes. After that, I had let them cool off before adding the icing. Y'all, these came out so good per usual. If y'all try this recipe out, I'm telling you, you will not go back to store-bought. Not to mention that they are already soft, so you don't have to leave them out on your counter for a week. If you know, then you know.